Alright, YouTube, so I bought a new car. Got another daily for the daily. Let me know what you guys think. This car is not getting anything crazy done to it. Nothing like this. This is gonna stay stock. The interior is mint. It's got the first aid kit. The whole manual and all that. First thing this is getting is a D badge, but I'm leaving the Infiniti logo. This is a pretty clean car. Got it for a good deal. Couldn't pass up on it. 150k miles. It's 2008 G35 sedan. It's the V36. So it's got the VQ35HR motor, not the VHR though. This car needs just a couple little small things, nothing crazy to be absolutely perfect. Like, just needs front brakes to be done. It's got new tires on it, new rear brakes. The AC needs to be recharged or just really looked at to see what's going on with it. But it's about to be winter time soon, so we don't really need AC at the moment. But other than that, that is the only two things that aren't 100% on the car. Like when I got this thing, this was just issue after issue after issue. So going to something this nice where you don't have to touch anything is great. Might have to make some custom clears, lower it a little bit, put on some wheels, some Nismo 370, yeah, Nismo V1s, maybe. Comment down below what coilovers you think are good for daily driving. Not too low, like at least like a 2-3 finger gap on the wheels. My two babies right there. And so a quick list of what this car needs to be 100% is just front brakes, like topped off in some fluids. I'm gonna do an oil change to it, swap the air filters out. AC needs to be looked at. And that's it. That's really it. This car is pretty clean inside and out. Like, it's not crusty or anything anywhere. Everything works. Might do a black interior swap to this too, like the Jenny. Got all this going in there. This one doesn't have aux or Bluetooth, so I'm gonna figure out something for that. I will be fixing up the door handles. That's like nothing crazy, but still kind of bothers me. Clean up this too around the steering wheel. Either vinyl wrap it or like, I think they make like carbon overlays or just do an overlay. Other than that, like, everything is all good. It's perfect. I have some LED lights coming for the dome lights and the back. I have like little puddle lights that are coming in too. Any suggestions you guys think I should do maintenance wise? These are the lights in the door. It does show it really clearly. It's just on grass, so it kind of looks a little off. These are the interior LEDs all around. I couldn't get access to the glove box one, and as well, so I actually have the trunk LEDs installed too, so pretty nice. Everything's pretty dope. Super clean. But first mod, it's gonna be Infiniti logo, G35X logo gone, keeping the main Infiniti one there, and then fully clear tails, or clear with the red marker. But yeah, of course we are gonna keep showing love to the Jenny, just adding another car to the fleet. Other than that, it's a pretty clean car. You know, nothing crazy going on with it. Nothing crazy gonna get done to it. These look good together. Just wait till it's a little nicer looking. One of these days I might just test fit these wheels on here just to see how it would look. If you did make it to the end of this video, you're gonna notice that this is a big jump into the future. Almost all the videos of the G are gonna be pre-recorded videos that I have. I just kind of been sitting on them for a little bit, waiting for the winter months to come by, because I knew I wasn't going to be making very many videos right now, especially in the snow. Hopefully you stay tuned till the end. Stay tuned for more G and Jenny content. And yeah, peace.